નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning, students. Standard 9th, Maths, Chapter 13. Today we are going to learn surface area and volume. Today in exercise 13.8, question number 7. Find the value of a sphere. Find the value of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So here we have to find the volume and here the surface area is given. Surface area is given. So first of all, from surface area we will find radius and then we can find volume. So therefore here surface area of sphere is equal to, here the formula is 4 pi r square and that is equal to 154 centimeter square given. Therefore we can say here 4 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius square is equal to 154, and therefore radius square is equal to 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 4 multiplied by 22. So here 22 1 ja, 22 7 ja, and thus we will get here 7 square upon 2 square, that is 7 by 2 the whole square, and therefore radius is equal to 7 by 2 and that is 3.5 centimeter. So this is the radius. Now we can find out volume. So now our question is to find volume. Therefore volume of the sphere is equal to, here 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 4 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r cube. Radius is 7 by 2 or 3.5. So we can take 7 by 2 3 times r cube. So 3 times. Now 7 7 cut. 2 2s are 4. So 4 cut. 2 1 ja. So 2 11 ja. So here we will get 11 into 7 into 7. And that is 7 7 ja 14 and 11 ja 539 divided by 3. So this will get here 179.666 and so on, and therefore we can say here approximately it is 179.67 centimeter cube is the volume of sphere. Now we will take question 8. Here question 8 is, there is a dome of a building. Dome of a building. Here I am drawing. There is a building. Dome of a building is hemispherical. So there is a hemispherical dome. Dome of the building is hemispherical. From inside it was whitewashed at a cost of this. Now if cost of whitewashing per meter square is this, so per meter square cost is this, total cost, so we'll get the area which is whitewashed. Then find the inside surface area of the dome. That is, here we say area of the building whitewashed is inside surface area of the dome. So inside surface area, inside surface area of the dome whitewashed is equal to total cost of whitewashing, total cost of whitewashing divided by cost of whitewashing per meter square. Cost of whitewashing per meter square. So here total cost is rupees 4989.60 divided by here 20 rupees. So you will get inside surface area of the dome which is whitewashed, and that is this, that is here you can see now inside surface area. This is the first result you will get. So now 4989.60, so that is divided by 100 multiplied by 20. Cut the common ones. Here 0 0 cut. So 2 we can cut here. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, and 2 8s are 16. So that is cut. And thus here you will get 249.48 meter square. So 249.48 meter square. It is the inside surface area of the dome which is whitewashed here. So first result is inside surface area. Now we want to find the volume. So just like that question, here it is hemisphere, but here inside surface area we got it. So from this we can get the radius. So therefore surface area, inside surface area of hemisphere is equal to, here formula inside, as it is a hemisphere and we are talking about surface area, so it is 2 pi r square, and that is equal to 249.48 meter square. So we can get radius from this. After getting radius, so therefore here 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, and that is equal to 249.48, and therefore radius square is equal to 249.48 divided by 100 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 7 in the numerator. Now you can cut the common ones. So when we cut the common ones, what will happen? First of all, 22 1 ja. Here divide by 22, you will get 21, 22 1 ja, 22 1 ja, 22, then 3 ja and 4 ja. Okay. So now again we cut this. So here you will get 567. So what is 567 now? We see 567 means it is here we say 7 8 ja 56 and 7 1 ja, and then 7 into 7. These are the factors. And thus we get here it is 9 into 7 divided by 10 whole square. As here radius r square is given, therefore we have to represent in perfect square. So 9 square and 7 square divided by 10 square, that is 63 by 10 square. So r square is equal to 63 divided by 10 square. So let us see here, we will get the radius and then we can find volume. So here now radius you can see is, therefore here r square is equal to 63, here 9 7 ja 63 by 10 the whole square, and therefore radius is equal to 63 by 10, and that is 6.3 meter. So now this is the radius. So second part is now we have to calculate here the volume of air inside the dome. So volume of air inside the dome, therefore volume of air inside the dome, your dome is hemispherical. Dome is hemispherical. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 2 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 63 by 10. Here 63 by 10 3 times. Cut the common ones. 7 9 ja 63. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So here we got 2 into 22 into 3 into 63 into 63 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. So when we multiply 2 into 22 into 3 into 63 into 63, we get 5 2 3 then 9 0 8 divided by 1000, and that is equal to 523.908 meter square. As it is volume, it is meter cube, and so that is approximately 523.91 meter cube is the volume of air inside the hemispherical dome. Thank you for joining us.